Hey everybody, Bobby here with EZ LYNK. Today we've got our Pro R in the shop and I'm going to go over a couple things with you on it real quick. So basics, we have, in order to connect your AutoAgent to this particular machine, you're going to need our Polaris-specific cable. And this Polaris cable is the same cable that works across the entire Polaris family. So UTVs, ATVs, snowmobiles, and now even Indian street bikes. So this cable is the one you need to do all that connection. So along with our cable, if you're using your AutoAgent in an environment like this, highly recommend taking a look at our weatherproof case. This is designed to integrate perfectly and seal with our cables and with the AutoAgent inside. Keeps everything clean, protected, out of the elements, and just make sure that you don't have any problem with your hardware. So let's step inside here, and on this vehicle we'll show you where the diagnostic port is, and we'll show you also another example of how you can use your weather resistant case here to help with everything you're doing. All right, everybody, we're inside the vehicle here, and a couple things to start with. The diagnostic port location on this particular machine, again, this is Pro R, is just underneath the dash, just like it is on your truck. It's right here underneath the dash. This is your connector right there, and connector on your AutoAgent cable, and that's it. Plug in there, and we'll plug in our AutoAgent, and you're connected. Fire up the machine. You can do a direct connection with your smart device or Wi-Fi connection, your choice on that. And then when it comes to our clear case, we have integrated a mounting tab here for you guys, because in some of these applications it's hard to keep everything up out of the way and find a nice, good, clean place to mount it. So we included this little tab here, and as an example, we've got one underneath here, up under the dash, tucked in a little bit. And so after you plug in, you can route your cable. We give you plenty of length in these cables so that you can put this about anywhere up front here in the cockpit of the machine. But this will engage into this case just like that, and it locks it up out of the way. So you can mount that anywhere on the vehicle. This is just kind of an example right here. And then when you're done, when you want it out, you can just unclip it out. When you're not using your AutoAgent in your UTV, you can take the cable end and plug it back into the case, and it'll lock into the case, and that'll keep the connection for the diagnostic port clean, out of the elements and everything like that. Just gives you a really nice, clean, simple mounting solution to your vehicle. So check these things out, especially for the power sports guys. Awesome. In your pickup even, you can find a spot underneath the dash, mount it with that tab, and then when you want to pull it out and go between your vehicles, if you have one of these in your different vehicles, it's really easy just to unplug it, plug it in, and it's locked out of the way. You don't have to worry about trying to find a place for it, and keep it out of the way. So something definitely to check out. And that's kind of it for today, guys. Appreciate your time for checking us out, and stay tuned. We're always bringing out new product, new information, and new updates, trying to make things better for everybody. So appreciate your time, and check us out in the future. Thanks, guys.